back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start off with the color Unconditional from the Lorac Unzipped palette. I'm just going to put that in my upper crease. I'm going to do that on both sides, blending it out so you get a nice smooth transition. Next, I'm going to take the color Unspoken, same palette, and that's just going to be a little further down into my crease, just to deepen the crease a little bit, add some depth to the look. Once again, we're going to do that on both sides. Okay, so you just want to work out, make sure that you're blending it out. So now I'm going to take Unbridled, which is another color from that same Lorac palette. I'm going to put that, just deepen the crease a little bit more. Concentrate that a little bit more on the outer V or the outer edge of your crease. And then as you come in closer to the inner portion of your eye, you just want to lighten up your pressure just a little bit, okay? And you just want to make sure that that blends seamlessly with the prior two colors that you have placed on the eye. Then I'm going to take my Eden primer potion from, I believe, Urban Decay, and I'm going to cut my crease, just lay that down with that. It doesn't have to be perfect because you can go back and clean it up. Then I'm going to go in with an old color from Smashbox, and I don't even know the name of it anymore. It came in a random palette that I had, but you can use any like pale peach shade. All right, so now I'm going back with that color Unbridled, and I'm just cleaning up the crease and deepening it, making sure that line is a little bit sharper. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side. And you want to make sure that you try to do this with good symmetry. Make sure that both sides are even. Fill it in. As you can see, the video is sped up here. So this is my first voiceover. So if you guys like voiceovers, then let me know. Make sure you put a comment below. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but don't worry, I plan on changing that and to post regularly and give you guys more content. Okay, so I'm packing that color in. All right, as you can see, going back once again, cleaning up that crease. Now I'm going to go on with my Inglot gel liner, black number 77. And I'm going to create a wing liner, and with the power of magic or the power of cinematography, both eyes are done. So now I'm going to line my waterline with the same color, and then now I'm going to bring those crease colors right back down on my lower lash line. So that's Unbridled that I'm putting there now, mixed with a little bit of Unspoken. So I'm not going to bring it fully in, just halfway. Now I'm just brushing away the fallout that I received. Okay, all right. So now I'm just bronzing up my face. I don't use an actual bronzer. I'm actually using a finishing powder from Black Opal. It's called Deep, and it's deeper than my skin. Once again, all the products that I'm using are going to be listed in the description box below. Okay, so if you want to know what I used exactly, then you can look below. So now I'm going in with the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer from the Queen Collection. Doing both sides. And now I'm going in with my Nars highlighter. I don't know the name, but I will have it listed below in the description box for you guys. Love Nars highlighters and stuff. Also, if you want to know what kind of foundation that I used today, that'll be in the description box as well. So now just checking, make sure it's even, a little bit on your nose, highlight down the bridge of your nose, cheekbones, your cupid's bow, just a little bit if that's what you're into. Now I'm just taking a little bit of blush, and I believe this blush is a mixture of Lovejoy from Nars and Pinch Me from MAC. I do like to mix blushes a lot actually. So now I'm just taking clean brush and I'm just blending those colors together so they kind of like melt and are seamless. Now I'm going to add a healthy coat of mascara. I go in with the mascara, and then if you want to take it a step further, you can add lashes if you like. I don't wear lashes, to be honest with you, so I just pack on mascara like it's nobody's business. So now we're going to do the lower lash line as well. Okay, so first lip choice. This is Spite Lip Gloss by MAC. Okay, so this is more neutral. So this is a more like kind of like daytime wearable, if you're bold, type of look. So that's the first look there, which I actually really like. All right, so look number 1. Now we're gonna do lip choice number 2. So this is Kat Von D matte lipstick in Vampira, and then I'm taking a ColourPop liquid lipstick. It's the purple one. I'm gonna list the actual name below, but together I love it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you liked what you saw, and if you did, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see more content from me in the future. Love ya. Bye.